Sobrang tagal na nito, but let's do full face of Avon. I have a lot of Avon products because I was part of the Avon Mix Pride 2024 Top 5. They gave us a lot of Avon products. Actually, nabawasan na to, pinamigay ko na. Avon Brow Showcase. When I got this, na-miss kong gumamit ng powder for eyebrows. Because lately, I've been using pencil and brow pen. In fairness, maalam pa rin pala ako. Sa totoong buhay lang, ang dami kong pwedeng pagpilian sa foundation. And to think na nabawasan ito ng 3, but parang trip ko tong gamitin. This is the Avon Flawless Match Natural Finish Foundation. My shade is True Beige. Wala siyang seal, darling. Wala palang primer, so kanya-kanya na lang to, mga day. Foundation, let's go! Uy, may coverage siya. Oh, wow. In fairness sa foundation, ang ganda niya. Grabe rin ang coverage nito, Day. Dito ako nagulat, Day. Avon Power Stay Concealer. This is in the shade... Ang shade niya, Pink Light. Siguro maganda to for highlight. In fairness to you. Ooh. Meron siyang pink undertone. I love it because it cancel out darkness sa aking under eyes. Mas kumanda yung foundation nung blend ko siya ng sponge, oh. Magpa-powder na ako. This is the Avon Flawless True Matte Press Powder. This is in the shade Oriental. Actually, isa to sa mga ginamit ko during the competition. Uso to dati yung nasa brochure. Hindi ko alam kung may brochure pa rin ba ngayon, pero parang onti na kasi eh. I love this using for touch-up. And onting story time why I joined the Avon Mix Pride 2024. Dahil meron rin pala ako ng Avon Liquid Eyeshadow. I didn't know na meron sila nito. Fairness, ang ganda niya. First, nung nakita ko yung application sa Avon Mix Pride 2024, nag-go na ako agad. Kasi gusto ko talagang sumali kasi lagi silang may paganap during Pride Month. I think that is 2023, meron silang first ever Fashion Runaway Pride Fashion Show. Super saya ko, natanggap ako. I mean, nakareceive ako ng email. But hindi ako nagtuloy sa casting. This year, they opened the registration for the Avon Mix Pride 2024. And again, right then and then, I signed in kasi gusto ko talagang ma-experience to work with a brand. I think na-manifest ko siya. Sana makapasok ako sa top 5 while doing our first entry. This is the Dream to Shine eyeshadow palette. Ito rin yung ginamit ko sa competition. So going back, ayun, I submit my entry and such and such. I posted it. I love the feedback. Maraming nagkagusto kasi nga it's Pride Month and I love the look. And I just want to create simple rainbow look. Ang ini-imagine ko that time is that if gagawa ko ng look, I wanted this look to be my cover in their brochure. Finally, I got in sa top 5 which I didn't expect. Feeling ko na manifest ko talaga siya. So thank you, Lord. Going to top 5, nag-rehearse pa ako dito sa bahay kung ano yung magiging presentation ko, how will I present the look, how will I explain it. Again, yung vision ko, ano yung gusto kong makita pag ako na yung nasa brochure ng Avon. I want it to be glam, but still gay. I want it to be powerful. And gusto ko maging attention yung face ko. Gusto ko matandaan nila yung face ko. Yun yung gusto ko talaga. I really had such a good time during the competition itself. That's the live makeup competition sa office ng Avon in Makati. Everything was just very, very good. Very good. And yun, nag-competition na. And then I also met a lot of content creators out there. Mama Lord Ramos was there also. I think 3 hours ata yung binigay sa aming time to do our makeup. Namit rin namin yung mga Avon executives, which hello po sa inyo. Thank you so much for all of the opportunities na binigay niyo sa mga bakla. They announced the winner, which I am super happy. I ended up being the first runner-up, going back to one of the reasons why I really manifested it. Kasi nga, may cash prize, Day. During that time, I think July, wala talagang laman yung aking savings account. Kasi nga, wala na rin akong other source of income, kundi yung pagiging affiliate lang here on TikTok. And yun, I got my cash prize. Super happy ko kasi sabi ko, uy, pang savings to. Kailangan meron akong money on the savings account. I'm just super happy for the experience on doing that. Don't get me wrong ha, hindi naman sa mukha akong pera, but it's just that at that time, kailangan ko lang din talaga just for the self-security ba. So, shout out pala sa aking mga ka-top 5, si Zilj, si Alejandro, Miss Juicy, and Rose. In fairness naman sa inyo, kabugan talaga kayo. So, gusto kong mag-create ngayon ng parang super pakak na eyeshadow lang, di ba? Basically, yun lang talaga yung story ko with the Avon Mixed Pride competition. I really had fun. So, maraming salamat po talaga sa experience, Avon. Like, as in, pasabog yung eyes nyo. Oh. Super Shock Volume Mascara from Avon. I'm so happy with the eye look that I created with Avon products. Pasabog. Grabe, ang ganda sis. Gagamitin kong contour yung eyeshadow here kasi cool tone siya. Actually, meron din ako ditong mga glimmer sticks from Avon. Ang ganda nito. Pero nakalimutan ko siyang i-incorporate sa aking look. Meron din ako ditong Dream to Shine highlighter. Uy, ang dami niya rin palang laman ha. Merong liquid lipsticks, Hydra-Matic Matte, merong ultra creamy lipsticks. But I want to use this Hydra-Matic Matte kasi gamit to sa MUPH. Gagamitin ko si Hydra Mauve. Uy, ang ganda ng packaging. It's pink. Bagay sa collection ko yan. This is Hydra Mauve. Ang ganda ng color. Uy, bakla. Oh my God. MLBB. Ganda. Pink nude lipstick. Grabe yung smell ng Avon in fairness. Super consistent nila sa smell. Parang very bubblegum. This is the medyo final look. Ako lang naman to ha. Girl, ang ganda ko, shucks. Oh my God. The face, body, and all that fierce chaos samba. This is my full face using Avon makeups. I love it. In fairness to Avon, kasi ang Avon, alam na natin, nandiyan na sila ever since. Like, even before I started doing makeup talaga, Avon was there. Avon is like one of the pioneering brands out there. And I am really happy that they improved and talagang pinakita nila sa atin ang kanilang products is maganda. Like, pasabog siya, oh. So, totally nag-improve talaga yung Avon, which I super love because, my God, ganito yung makeup look na na-create ko, like, super pasabog. That's it. Bye!